traders, FS Speculator here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is 5 ways up of A. I think this is likely now going to go down and make a 3-way pattern down for an A, B, C, or B, probably taking out both of these previous lows. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it seems very clear to me that this is 5 ways down. So wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Wave B, yes, it is a higher high wave B, but that does happen quite often. I think that we're already in a wave C. I think this is a 1. We're probably in a wave 2, and eventually 3, 4, and 5 to come to form that pattern, like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the 1 is complete. I think that we're already in the wave 2. We're not at a Fibonacci level, so I don't think that we are over. This definitely really doesn't even look like a complete pattern. It definitely looks to me like something that potentially needs to go up at least to the 38 or the 50% before it actually does end up continuing the downtrend. Now, tomorrow is FOMC interest rate news, which is going to be a huge day for the dollar pairs, especially because they are planning on lowering interest rates for the first time in a few years. So it's going to be a very interesting day tomorrow for sure. US dollar CAD is actually very sideways on the sort of time frames. I kind of feel like if anything, it probably is going to try to push down a little bit, but I think that it definitely needs to go up. I do not think that this wave 2 is over on the higher time frames. I primarily am still looking for longs in an uptrend, but if you do get a chance to go short, I guess it probably would be a pretty decent trade. Probably will go down, take out this low, and then probably go up to one of these higher Fibonacci retracement levels from the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it's just completely sideways as you can see. But to me, it when you see impulsive and then very corrective, usually it does lead to another impulsive. So I think there is a chance that it will go down again, probably like an A B C pattern, and then later on head back up to at least the 38 or the 50%. Like I said, tomorrow is a really big day, so be very cautious with your trading tomorrow, especially. I think there's going to be lots of volatility and lots of traps across the board. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.